Assalamu alaikum. I am Khalifah and this is my assignment video of physics. I have a story I want to tell. I was driving my little car to go from home to the nearest shopping center in Kajang. Then while I was on the road, suddenly there was something going wrong with the car. It was shaking strongly. What's the problem? I stopped and walked out of the car. I looked towards the tire, and here was the problem. The tire was dragged by a small piece of glass. I didn't discover that firstly. Then directly I got to go to bring out the wrench. Now I will explain what's needed to be done with the help of physics. Let's begin with the explanation. The concept here, the physics concept we have, is called moment of force or torque, which is equal to the lever arm multiplied with the force. The torque is in Newton per meter units, and we have the lever arm in meters and the force in Newton. So let us explain how it's going to happen. We have here the center of rotation, the place where it rotates, it starts to rotate. Also we have in other situations, maybe in the doors, in many other options or situations, So we have here the distance from the center of rotation and the applied force. The applied force, the direction of it is called the line of action. It's right here. Now as I give the force downward, it's going to be downward direction, and it's positive torque here. So we have the lever arm, which is the perpendicular distance from the center of rotation to the line of action. Let me try first in the first position here, near close to the center of rotation. If I try to open it now, it's extremely hard. It will not open easily. It will need more force, greater force. The concept say if the closer to the center of rotation, the harder or the greater force needed to rotate it. And the bigger the distance, the greater the distance, the easier, the quicker it will rotate, it will open. Let me try here in the end maybe of this. It's also hard. In some situations it will be really hard to open, but it will need a big force. So I brought something for you to make it clear, defined, and easily understood. So I have this muscle here. If I try to open and rotate it from the end of this muscle, of course the distance will be great than before. At previous, I have some centimeters, maybe 10 centimeters from the center of rotation, but now it's around 1 meter, maybe 1 meter or a half meter. I'm not really sure. So if I try to open it now, it will be easily opened. Why is this? As I defined before, it's just because the concept, the torque, says the greater the distance from the center of rotation to the applied force, the easier it will rotate. That's what I have, and I appreciate your time. You're giving time to me, and thank you so much. I hope everything is good. Assalamu alaikum.